Hello guys and welcome to Laravel 9 tutorials. So guys, in this specific video we are going to discuss about how can we export our HTML data or data into a PDF format using Laravel. So for PDF conversion we are going to use a package and the name is right here, Laravel DOM PDF. So for this video I am going to use the same project that I did in the previous video. The name is right here, Excel1. So actually it's a fresh project. All we did right here was conversion to Excel file and that's it. So it's basically a fresh project. Let me show you the web.php so that you can understand it better right here. Okay. So yeah guys, let's start. First of all, I need to install this package in my Laravel project. So for that I have a simple notepad file. If you want to follow it from right here, you can do it. It's totally up to you. Okay, so first of all I need to install this package using Composer. So let's move to git bash and I'm going to paste this command right here. So this command is going to take some time to execute, so I'm going to pause the video. Once it's done I will resume it. Okay guys, so we have successfully installed our Laravel package. Let's move forward. Now this command is optional. This command right here is optional. If you want to execute it, you can. Actually this command is going to bring you the file in the configuration folder so that you can see all the DOM PDF related configuration in that specific file. And let's say if you want to change something, you can do it right there. Okay, so let me execute it first so that I can show you the result. Okay guys, so the command is executed successfully. Let's move to Sublime, config, and right here you can see DOM PDF. So here, right here, you can see all the configuration, and let's say if you want to change something, you can. It's totally up to you. Okay. Yeah guys, let's move forward. So now we have our PDF package installed. Now what we need to do is actually, first of all, I need to create a new view so that we can create an anchor tag so that we can download our users data or any data into a PDF format. So for that, what I'm going to do is, first of all, we need a controller. So in this case, I'm going to make a controller, PHP artisan make controller, and the controller name would be, let's say, PDF controller. Okay. So yeah, now we have a controller in place. Now let's create a route. Okay, so that we can create a view. Actually, yeah, let's do it. So the name would be, let's say, users. Okay, and actually I can copy everything from right here so that I don't have to type. Okay, and this, in this case, I'm using PDF controller. Okay, and the method would be index. Let's say I haven't created that, but we will, no problem. Okay, now let's move to PDF controller just right here, and let's create a method, public function index, and all we are going to do right here is, let's say, get some users or get all users. Users is equals to user all, just like that, and we are going to return it to the view, which we don't have for now. Okay, so yeah, we will create one. So PDF for now, let's close it right here. Okay, so since we are using users model, so we need to call it right here or import it right here. So use app, and let's say models and user model actually. Okay, now let's create a view. So I have one view that was related to let's say Excel export. So what I can do right here is I'm just going to create a new view. Okay, empty view, and I'm going to copy everything from right here. So let's say if you don't have this specific view, what you can do is create an HTML template, empty template. Okay, include Bootstrap 4 CDN, Bootstrap 4 CDN CSS file and JavaScript file. And one suggestion, let's say if you don't have this page right here and you are not following my Excel export video, so what you can do is you can also get the Bootstrap CDN, Bootstrap 3 version 3 CDN. That would actually work fine. Why? I will tell you later in the when let's say I think it's the right time. So for now, if let's say if you don't have CDN right here for Bootstrap version 4, what you can do is you can also get the Bootstrap version 3 CDN and call it right here CSS and the JavaScript. So I'm going to copy this and let's paste it right here into an empty file, and let's save this empty file as pdf.blade.php. Okay, now let's make some changes. So export user, no problem, and right here export users, or we can say export user. Previously it was export users data. So right here we can say, let's say save as PDF, minor changes, save as PDF. Okay, now since I'm going to display some users right here, so I can convert them into an PDF format. So what I need to do is I need to get a table right here. So I'm going to close this users plate, which is not related to this video. Okay, so yeah guys, let's create a table. So table, and let's say I'm going to put a class, simple class table. If you want table responsive, you can also do that. So table t head, and let's say table row, and then th, which is again table heading, and I'm going to put id, and let's copy this. I'm also going to have name and email. So let's change it, let's change the text to email, and let's change right here to name. Okay, now let's move forward. Just below the t head, I'm going to create t body. Okay, after that we can have tr, and after that we are going to have td, which is table data, and tr stands for table row, if you, in case if you don't know. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to view this blade file in the web browser. So what we can do is, actually we have our route configured right here, and we have our we are successfully returning our view. So in this case I want to return all the users as well. So I'm just going to write compact. I'm going to use compact and pass users without a $sign. Okay, so yeah, everything is in place. So let's run our project. So php artisan serve -- port, and let's say in this case 8080. Okay, okay guys, let's move right here. Okay, and right here. So in this case this is related to Excel, I think. Yeah, so what I need to do is I need to move to users. Okay, yeah, so this one right here, you can see the dummy table right here. Since we don't have the data, so you are not able to see any data right here. Okay, so now since we are able to view our blade file, we can simply display our users as well. So let's move here and let's do for each @ for each $users as $user, and let's end it right here, and @ and for each. Okay, let's display our user, let's say id $user id, then I need name, and then I need email. So copy, paste, and once again, and right here I want email. Okay, and right here I want name, just like that. So guys, in the previous video we successfully created some fake data, dummy data, as you can see right here. So we have some data in our user data table, and I'm going to use this for this video. So let's do a refresh and let's see what happens. Okay, so we are successfully able to display our data right here. Now is the last task for which we are creating this specific video, how to convert this data into PDF. So let's move. Actually, now let's include this, import this class PDF class right here. Okay, in the PDF controller, just like that. Okay, now I need to create one more method, public function. You can name whatever you want. So in my case, I'm going to name it export once again. So let me correct the mistake right here, public. Okay, okay, and let's move here, and once again I need all the data related to user. So user is equals to user all. Okay, and let's now I need to use the commands that are right here. So I can just simply copy it from right here and paste it right here. Okay, let's align our code. Okay, fine. So right here we are using our PDF class, and using that we are going to load a view, and the name of the view would be, in this case, PDF, which we just created right here. Okay, PDF plate, and we are going to pass our collection. So if you want to, let's say if you want to pass an array, you can simply do it like this, but in my case I want to pass the let's say collection. So what I need to do is compact and let's say users, as simple as that, without a $sign. After that, we are going to download the PDF, and the name of that PDF file would be users.pdf, just like that. Okay, so now since we don't have a route to hit this export method, we need to create one. So I'm just going to copy this route and paste it right here and change it to export. The URL we have changed it to export, and we are going to change the method as well to, in this case, we want to hit the export method. Okay, now let's move to PDF plate. Since we are hitting the wrong route or using a wrong URL for this video, okay, so what I need to do is, in this case, I need to hit this route export. So I'm just going to change it to export. Let's remove everything from right here, just like that. No need for that. Okay, so everything looks fine. Okay, let's move to Google. And let's do a refresh, and let's try to click on this save as PDF button, and let's see what happens. Okay guys, so we are able to download our PDF file, and it contains the same page that we have right here, as you can see. Okay, so we are able to download our PDF data, and let's say if you have any HTML format, you can download it. And remember guys, I told you, let's say if you don't have this CDN, Bootstrap 4 CDN, what you can do is use Bootstrap 3 CDN. Actually, the reason being, guys, this export PDF or DOM PDF doesn't fully support Bootstrap version 4 because it doesn't support the flex. So let's say if you want to see, because in some cases, let's say if you have a layout like right here, but when you are going to download that specific file into or view into a PDF file, you will break everything right here. So that's why I told you to use Bootstrap 3 if you can. Otherwise, what you need to do is, let's say if you are downloading this file, download this, check it, and let's see if you can break, if you are breaking anything. What you need to do is you need to apply the changes, and that's it. And you need to do it again and again until you reach your, let's say, desired output. So yeah guys, that's it. And yeah guys, let's discuss it one more time so that you can understand. So guys, we are using PDF class, and in this case load view, we are loading our view which we just created right here, PDF blade. Okay, and we are passing our data compact users. Actually we are getting all the users data, and we are passing it to this view. After that, we are downloading simply the file, and the file name would be whatever you want. You can put it right here, and we are using once again PDF class to download this PDF file. Okay guys, so let's say in any case, let's say if a question arises like as you can see, we have everything right here in this PDF file. So let's say in any case you don't want to see this button or anchor right here. What you can do is, guys, actually you can create one more view similar to this, but don't put an anchor right there. Okay, this is just a trick if you want to, because maybe some guys would ask, oh, how can I remove this? So this is just a trick. I didn't implemented it, but I haven't tried it as well, but I'm just telling you. So let's say what you need to do is, if you don't want this button, what you can do is, one way could be, you are going to get the same page. You need to create a same page without this button. So now you have two pages, two blade files, one with button anchor and the other one without anchor. So when you want to download the data into a PDF file, what you need to do is you need to click on this and you need to call the other view right here, PDF view, whatever the name of your second view is, you need to call it right here. You need to pass all the users or the data you want to download into PDF format, and that's it. And in that case, you won't see this button right here. Okay, it's simple. I hope you guys understand. So you, in that case, you will have two views just like that, without an anchor tag. So yeah guys, that's it from this specific video. I hope you guys like this video. If you liked it, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Take care. And yes guys, be ready for the next one. Okay, take care.